Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to properly use your motorcycle's center stand. This technique ensures stability and makes maintenance tasks much easier. First, ensure your bike is on a flat, stable surface. Then, stand on the left side, holding the left handlebar and the rear grab rail. Now, place your right foot firmly on the center stand's tang, ready to apply pressure. With your right foot on the tang, apply steady downward pressure. At the same time, pull upwards on the grab rail with your right hand. This combined motion, using your body weight, will help pivot the bike onto the stand. It's a smooth, controlled movement, not a brute force lift. Feel the stand engage the ground as you lift. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once the bike is up, confirm both feet of the center stand are firmly on the ground. Give the bike a gentle rock to ensure there's no wobbling. It should feel completely secure and balanced. This stability is crucial for any work you plan to do, from chain lubrication to tire checks. A stable bike is a safe bike.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.